How to turn on two-factor authentication on Facebook. First and foremost, open your Facebook app. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. Go to your setting gear option. Tap on Meta Account Center. Right here, tap on Password and Security. Tap on two-factor authentication. Select your profile. Right here, you will see three of the options. The authentication app is the Google Authentication app that is easily available in your Google Play Store. Text message is whenever you try to log in from another device, they will send a particular designated OTP that you can use to log in. And the third is the security key, which can only be used in one device for a time. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and select the option of text message. Then tap on next. Right here, go ahead and enter your mobile number and just tap on next once again. Then enter the OTP code sent to your designated phone number and just go ahead and tap on the next bubble at the bottom of your screen. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and enter the password of your Facebook account. Once you do that, the two-factor authentication by text message will be enabled and you will have to enter a specific OTP every time you try to log in from another device. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.